Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. Well guys, since it is November and almost closer and get closer to the Christmas on December, so you can start to try this white elephant gift exchange. And if you need the rules how to play with it, so here in this video I will give you the alternative website that can help you to have and also follow the rules. You can visit this whiteelephantrules.com, and without any the login or sign up, you'll see this is the website that can help you to give you the details of the gift exchange rules. Like this, a white elephant gift exchange is a popular Christmas event where people view to walk away with the best presents. And also it goes by the Yankee Swap, Dirty Santa, or the plethora of the other games. So this white elephant games is played by a lot of different rule sets, some that simple and also other confusingly elaborate. So if you scroll down, you'll see the basic rule of this white elephant rules, like the each player brings one wrapped gift to contribute to the common pool. And also this is the second rule, like the players draws number to determine what order they will go in. And also the third one gonna be the players sit in the circle or the line where they can see the gift pile. And the fourth one gonna be the first player selects a gift from the pool and opens it. And this is the fifth one, which is the following players can choose to either pick an unwrapped gift from the pool or steal the previous player gifts. So anyone also gets the gift stolen in this way can do the same, or choose a new gift or steal from the someone else. And there will be the 6 rules, like the after all players have a turn, and also the first player gets a chance to swap the gift of he or she is holding or for any other opened gift, guys. So you can start to try these rules, let's say to celebrate your Christmas, and you can also try the white elephant with this white elephant online, which is giving you the play favorite gift swap game virtually. And you can also try it for free, and you can visit this whiteelephantonline.com. And this is gonna be the look, and this will be how to play this, and you can click this how it works, maybe about the rules, and it's gonna be easy to set up, affordable, fun, and also engaging for all. So don't forget to celebrate your Christmas super fun and try this white elephant gift exchange. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.